Hey guys, it's Keely. I'm back with the second book we wrote. It's called Daisy Chain, The Sound of Long Vowel A. You can find it on Amazon ebooks. Written and artwork by K.K. Jones. That's just the name we use so you can find it. Rain falls from the clouds. The table had a plate on it. The plane was running late. My bank has a safe. Katie does not like snakes. Caleb took me on a sailboat. We prayed before we ate. I made a daisy chain. My baby's name is Grace. Amy had a cake on her birthday. Let's make pancakes. Maple syrup is great. I agree. Let's read the word list. Maple, Amy, cake, make, baby, Grace, daisy, chain, prayed, ate, sailboat, A, snakes, Katie, bank, safe, plane, late, table, plate, rain, Caleb, great, name, and pancakes. They all have the long vowel A. So make sure to support us on Amazon by buying the book and liking and subscribing. And if you want to get notifications on when our next video is going to come out, make sure to ring the bell. And have a good day. Thanks for watching.